Hi, my name is Adol Sisi, and I'm going to be one of the lead instructors for the How to Build and Train Your AI Model workshop series, sponsored by Houston Community College and my nonprofit, InspiredK.org. I would love to tell you how great the AI workshop is going to be, but I would be biased, so I'm going to let one of my teaching assistants explain instead. Hello there, can you please briefly introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Bimo, your educational AI tutor. I'm here to assist Adele Cece from Online Knowledge LLC in delivering an engaging and informative workshop series on building and training AI models. We'll be exploring fascinating topics such as recurrent neural networks, convolutional neural networks, large language models, and generative pre trained transformers. I'm here to help enhance your learning experience, answer your questions, and support you every step of the way. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Can you please tell my audience why they should join the course?
Absolutely. Joining the How to Build and Train Your AI Model workshop series led by Adel Sissi offers a unique opportunity to dive deep into some of the most cutting edge technologies in the AI field. Here's why you should consider participating. 1. Expert guidance. Learn directly from Adel, an experienced instructor, ensuring you receive comprehensive and insightful guidance throughout the course. 2. Comprehensive curriculum. You'll explore crucial AI model types such as recurrent neural networks, convolutional neural networks, large language models, and generative pre trained transformers, providing a well rounded education. 3. Hands on practice. The series includes various hands on labs, allowing you to apply theoretical knowledge to real world problems and build practical skills. 4. Stay up to date. With the latest updates in AI and machine learning, this course will help you stay current with developments in the field and essential for career advancement. 5. Interactive learning environment. Engage with both Adele and me, BMO, to have your questions answered and concepts clarified, providing a supportive and interactive learning setting. 6. Career advancement. Skills in AI are highly sought after. This course enhances your expertise, making you more competitive in the job market or potentially helping you pivot to an AI focused career. Joining this workshop series is not just about learning, it's about growing your skills and preparing for the future of technology. Feel free to ask any questions if you're curious or need more information.
You heard it from BMO. How to Build and Train Your AI Model, starting on February 28, 2025 at the Houston Community College West Loop campus. Space is limited, so make sure you register today, and I can't wait to see you there. Thank you.